Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to add favorites on Temu app in this video. Let's get started. Open Temu on your device first. Now search for any item that you want. You can search from the categories given at the home page itself, or tap on the search bar at the top, then search for any item. Once you search for the item, scroll down where it says Product Details. Tap on the heart icon beside Product Details. Doing so, you will add the item to your favorite list. Now to view the favorite product, go back. Tap on U icon at the bottom. Scroll down. Tap on Wishlist beside Browsing History. Here you can see all of your favorites product. And that is how to add favorites on Temu. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.